Welcome back to another video. We're doing an update on this vessel that's been going on for 2 years. Are we there yet? No, but I want to show you guys what I've done to the boat so far in the background. Thought I'd update you guys because it's not going to be long until we have it back out in the water, and I want to get you guys all fired up. So follow me. Got the wheels finally on there. Got the all-terrains, probably too big for it, but there's a bit of clearance in there. Finally got those brand new on there. What else?
I don't come with the boat.
Look at that, mate. We got the bilge
The battery.
outlet, and that's all hooked up, plumbed up. The bilge works. We basically filled up the whole hull and drained it all. That was Daddy's idea.
You got a good battery.
Yeah, we got it back. Look, check this out. We'll start from the outside, Darius, and we'll work our way back in, mate. Got the old Stano ladder, stainless steel. This actually come on the boat beforehand, and we makeshifted it, put it back on there. Got the pod, the engine. You already know about that. Everything's all plumbed up now, ready to go. It does run really good. We gave it a carby clean, so I'm stoked on that. Just got to get some. I don't know what you call it to go over the cables. Some socks, Nike socks, and then you just pull that, so that's done. Trailer lights aren't on yet, but the cables all run. And then let's go up top. I just made a mess. We're just gonna be running off this. I reckon it's a 40 litre. It's definitely not enough, but I'm thinking maybe getting a rear fuel tank for it or something like that. Something a bit more fancier, something with more capacity. As we're gonna go see some islands is the idea really for this boat. So batteries all hooked up, ready to go. That's all solid on there. That's your bilge. Pipe going down in there. Your latches are all done. The carpet's in. It's a bit of a mess though. Oh yeah, that's all ready to go. Fiberglass work's all done down there. Got our seats in. 2 seats. That's all we need. 2 people. And then up here we've got the voltage meter for the rear of the battery. That's for the 2 dual batteries, which I'll show you guys in just a minute. We got that all hooked up out the front there. And then our gauges will be going on here. That's your bilge. Gauges, steering wheel, just waiting on those. It's another little part we got to wait for. Follow me through. Oh yeah. One of the dual batteries are in here. 120 amp, they both are. Deep cycle, one there, one here. And then we got the stereo up here. It's not a marine one, that's why we put it in here for now, because I had it on hand, I didn't want to buy one. And then a bunch of wiring on this end that needs to be cleaned up a little bit. But other than that, yeah, and then more painting as well. We got a 12 volt outlet on this side here as well, because we're going to be planning on charging our camera gear, drones, electric fishing reels that we don't want. Speakers are in, that's all hooked up, radio works, blasts. Got the carpet up top on the dash, even up top there that we can sit at. We got one of the night lights for overnight stays, not hooked up yet. And then we're just waiting on a bunch of other lights as well. Your green, your red, your floor, what do you call it, your deck lighting in here as well. We're gonna be running, so that'll be interesting. That's pretty much where we are at with this this build, so it's pretty close. I think next week we're going to have the steering wheel in, all hooked up, and then from there it's only going to get some safety gear and get this bad boy regoed. I'm excited. You guys want
Are you excited? Nah.
Maybe they want to hear it run. You guys want to hear it run?
Yeah, with that water.
I don't know. They don't know.
That's why we put these in, because we get angry.
Yeah, all right.
We're
Go,
born by
run it.
Nicholas. Oh, we're gonna reverse it over there and.
Oh no, then don't run it. Stop.
Run it like this. No. No.
Who cares?
And an anchor. No. Sit over here. See if it falls.
It's my motor.
It's, yeah.
I've got my.
rules.
No,
I've got my
I'm
license.
taking my earmuffs back.
No, not my earmuffs. Yeah. Oh,
Get on
earmuffs.
it. Get on it.
Get on it. Let's see if how heavy it is with all of us. See if it goes down.
Oh, dear. Oh, it won't.
Go.
Don't do that. Just stand on it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it
well,
does.
then-
3 people. It does.
No, well, barely. Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
it does.
It does with a monkey. All right. Should we let it run?
Yeah.
Ow.
Well, the rest doesn't want to. So.
First one to talk is gay.
We can talk.
How we doing?
No, we're gay.
Oh man, you almost hit my car. Had a reverse mirror as well.
Careful, don't you? No, you're gay. Yeah.
Oh, I did this as well.
What happened?
I moved the axle back so it wouldn't fit. So now I gotta put a bigger bolt on it.
Oh.
But yeah, move the car forward. Trying to get some shots around like cinematic ones.
Oh, yeah.